Hello, welcome to the session Financial Accounting, not for profit organization. Financial statements comprise of the following. First, receipt and payment account. It is a summary of cash book in which cash related transactions are recorded. The receipt may be revenue in nature or capital in nature. So both revenue and capital receipts are recorded on the receipt side of receipt and payment account. Similarly, all payment, it may be revenue in nature or capital in nature or deferred revenue. It will be recorded on the payment side of receipt and payment accounts. Then we prepare income and expenditure account. In case of non-trading concern, we are preparing profit and loss account. If the income exceeds the expenditure, then there is profit, and vice versa is the loss. But in case of income and expenditure account, if the income exceeds the expenditure, then there is net surplus. That surplus will be added to the capital fund in the balance sheet. If the expenditure exceeds the income, then that is deficit, that will be deducted or adjusted from capital fund account. In case of income and expenditure account, it is prepared just like profit loss account. Means all transactions are recorded on accrual basis. Accrual basis means all transaction, it may be cash transaction, non-cash transaction, only for present year will be shown. For example, we have paid rent for 11 months and 1 month rent is outstanding. Under accrual basis, we have to take the entire 12 months rent into consideration. Similar in the case of other expenditure. The expenditure pertaining to present year only will be taken into account in case of income and expenditure account. Then balance sheet. Already we discussed, as a mirror reflects the face of a person. Balance sheet reflects the financial position of the concern, showing assets on one side and liability on the other sides. So balance sheet shows capital receipts on liability side of balance sheet and capital expenditure on asset side of balance sheet. And from the balance sheet, we can know the capital fund. Assets minus liabilities, capital fund. In case of opening balance of capital fund is not given, then it can be calculated or ascertained by preparing one opening balance sheet. Then we will discuss treatment of some important items. First important item is subscription, means receipt from members, and it will be shown on the debit side of receipt and payment account and credit side of income and expenditure account, because it is revenue in nature. In case of subscription, the subscription for 12 months only or the subscription pertaining to that present year only will be taken into account. Then life membership fees. It is capital in nature. It will shown on the debit side of receipt and payment account and liability side of balance sheet. Then donation. Donation, it is shown on the debit side of receipt and payment account. It depends on the nature. If it is general donation, that means it is revenue in nature, it will be taken in the income side of income and expenditure account. If it is specific donation, it is for a long period of time and it is a liability which is shown on the liability side of balance sheet. Then legacy. Legacy is, suppose a person before death made any agreement to give his entire property for the cause of a particular group of people, then it is capital in nature, it is shown on the liability side of balance sheet and it will be taken at the time of receipt, it will be taken on the debit side of receipt and payment account. Then sale of asset. If there is profit, then it will be shown on the debit side of credit side of profit and loss income and expenditure account. In case loss, it will be taken on the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. Then sale of scrap, newspaper, generally it is income, it is revenue nature, it will show on the income side of income and expenditure account. Then regarding expenditure, means revenue expenditure, one is honorarium. What is honorarium? It is a kind of remuneration which is paid to a person who is not an employee of the not-for-profit organization. It is shown on the expenditure side of income and expenditure account as it is revenue nature. Similarly, salaries, printing stationery, rent, interest, conveyance, rates and taxes, insurance premium, audit fee, office expenses, sports material, repair and maintenance, electricity charges, depreciation of fixed assets and sundry expenses, etc. are also shown on the debit side of income and expenditure account, that is expenditure side of income and expenditure accounts. So thank you. In the next class we will discuss the adjustment of subscription, life membership fee, endowment fund, donation, legacy, etc. Thank you.